Today, I'll show you how to set up Shazam on your iPhone. Shazam is a music identification app that lets you quickly identify songs playing around you. First, go to the App Store, search for Shazam, and download it. To add Shazam to your control center, open the control center from the top and tap the plus icon on the top left. Now you will see a list of controls. Add the Shazam control from here. Now Shazam is accessible from the control center. When you play a song, simply swipe to open the control center and tap the Shazam icon to identify the music. There you go. Shazam has found the music name. This also works when you're connected to AirPods. Shazam will still detect the song. First, connect the AirPods, and when you play a song, press Shazam from the control center, and the music is found. If you have the Action button on your iPhone, you can assign Shazam to it by going to Settings, go to Action button, and select Shazam as your shortcut. Now, pressing the Action button will instantly identify any song playing around you. That's it for the tutorial. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel and will help me making more videos like this.